Hi superstars, you're welcome to another palm oil week. Okay, so in this video, I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be telling you the cost of jerrycans, the cost of palm oil, and everything you need to know about palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, so if you notice for a while I've not been here, it's because I've been trying to help some people get their palm oil available, and most times by the time I get back, I get really exhausted. So I couldn't put anything out here. But a lot has been happening. I decided to show up here so I can carry everyone along, like I promised. A lot has happened in palm oil business this year. There's been lots and lots of changes, lots of things which we never expected has happened. We all believed that by the end of this month, by the end of March, palm oil price would have dropped and lots of people will get to store. But on the contrary, it kept increasing. Okay, so this has left a lot of people worried, thinking about what to do and all that. So if you remember some time ago, I saw some signs and I came out here and told people to buy palm oil and store. Okay, you should stop waiting. You could buy half and then later, if you want to, you can buy the remaining one with hopes that it would reduce by the end of this month. But no, it did not. Palm oil's price has kept increasing and increasing and increasing because there's a large demand for palm oil. And the funny thing is that even with the increase, lots of people are buying palm oil to store. People are not joking, my superstars. I was like, maybe people won't buy and store because of how high the cost is. But guess what? Lots of people are storing palm oil with hopes that palm oil will increase a lot in value by the end of this year or towards the end of the year. Okay. And I'm thankful that I've been able to help some people here get some good palm oil. Some people here asked me to help them get palm oil, and I was able to. Okay, but first let's start with the price of jerrycan. The price of jerrycan, new jerrycan in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, is 5,200 naira for the new jerrycan. All right, I don't do used jerrycans, I do new jerrycans. So that's the price in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo today. All right, for palm oil, a lot has been happening. So many people think. Someone called me and told me I had palm oil price is 30 something something, and I was like, please, if you see it, buy. Okay, please, if you see good palm oil at a good rate, please buy it and store. Okay, right now, good palm oil is not cheap. There are lots of palm oil out there. If you started with us, I told you that different grades of palm oil. We have grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, all for different purposes, and they are all termed palm oil. So if you don't know what a good oil looks like, you could buy the wrong one, and then after a while you start noticing some wonderful things. So good palm oil is not cheap. And please, my superstars, I do not have a mill. I do not own a mill, please. So I do not produce palm oil. I help people go to the mill and get the best quality of palm oil and then send it to people in their locations. Hopefully in future, by God's grace, I could get a meal. But for now, I do not own a meal. Do not Okay, I do not own a mill, but I go to mills to buy palm oil. I watch the processes, I go for the best. Okay, my superstars. So that is what it is. All right, my superstars. Okay, so that brings me to, will palm oil drop? Will palm oil drop? My superstars, I doubt palm oil will drop this year again. We are in April and we are gradually shifting towards rainy season proper. Okay, but nevertheless, if a miracle happens, I'll make sure I inform every one of you out here. Okay, so you know, and then you get to buy and store. But for now, the price for freshly milled palm oil in Akwa Ibom State Uyo is 43,000 naira. I had bought 41, I had bought 42, I had bought 40. Okay, I had bought 39. Okay, but as it is right now, the price for a good palm oil is 43,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, that is how I get it. I don't know about any other person. I don't know about any other thing. That is how I get it. Okay, so if you need it, you can reach out to me and then I'll help you get it and send it to you. All right, my superstars. Okay. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Also want to apologize to those who have been calling and can't reach me. Most times I am in the meal, okay, and sometimes we deal with people and all that. So most of those places, network is bad or I'm not close to my phone. Probably my hands are swelled and I can't reach out to my back to pick calls. That's why I said drop messages. If you drop a message when I'm settled, I can always reply or send you feedbacks. Okay. So sorry if you had called and I didn't pick. It's because my hands were tied or I didn't hear or I was so busy that I couldn't get to hear. But if you drop a message, no matter what, when I'm settled, I'll reply to your messages. Okay. So if you need anything, send a message. If you can't reach me via calls, send a message. Okay, my superstars. All right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you and I love you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.